Hi everybody, we are back once again, and this time we're gonna do a little something different. We got the FabFitFun Advent Calendar. For those who don't know, it was $90 plus shipping and handling and tax, so by the end it's like $100 and some dollars. But they promised like $250 worth of value if you got the Advent Calendar. Now it's pretty big and got some weight to it. And when it shipped, one of the things came open, but I don't know the prices of these things right now because I haven't had a chance to really open and look at it. But I will put in the description below. So you want to go in order, Ma, or do you just want?
Yeah, let's go in order.
All right,
Number one.
So you're gonna do number one. Try to hold this up.
Oh, well, first, kind of show what we're talking about. All right. So it's numbers.
Yes.
So we're gonna go in order.
There you go.
All right.
First thing first.
Number one.
Number one. Y'all here is struggling, so it's full size items. Tear it up. I already took a picture of this thing because I know it's gonna be wrecked by the time we are done. This is a wine tumbler.
All right. And your wino sister happens to be here.
Yes, so yes, my sister, she's slinking away right now because she don't want to be on camera, but it comes with a lid for all you moms out there, and it's not see-through, so you can take it to a soccer game and get your wino on at the kids' soccer game.
Tumbler.
A wine tumbler, yes, lid and everything.
Okay. Or just a wine.
Because mommies need to drink. You know this.
Go ahead. Got it. All right. Number two.
Oh, okay, so I've had this before. So I'm gonna probably end up giving this to somebody else.
Is that a travel kit?
Yes.
That somebody would be me.
Yes. Okay. So that's somebody's mom. This is a travel kit for you to take on the plane. As you guys know, they have all these restrictions now.
Next trip, Toronto.
So it has all these pre-sized cut up bottles, and it actually has a funnel to help you get things in there.
Perfect.
So you don't have to worry about that. You can get all your stuff in here. That was my only complaint with it last time, is that it did not come with a funnel, and I need a funnel.
Cute. All right.
Ooh. These I got in the Advent calendar last year, but they were red. I love these socks. They're super comfy, super squishy. I am going to share these, and they come with the two little hair bows.
Oh, please do.
Yes.
Nice.
Yes, and my sister's slinking away once again, but she just gave me a look that one of these are hers. So one for Mom, one for Nicole, and then one for myself. And then these two hair ties are going to probably be Leah's.
Oh my gosh, Nikki, you would love this whole box. Oh, man. Satin pillowcase.
What? All sooky now.
That's so good for your hair.
Yes, this is 26 by 19.
Yeah, that's really good.
It looks like it's a silverish color. Oh my gosh.
That's so cute.
Yes, it prevents acne, prevents facial creases, gentle on your eyelashes, your eyebrows for all hair and skin types, and helps tame your frizz. Satin pillowcases are everything. Love it. All right, we're down to box number 5. This is a all over face blush. So here's a brush that it comes with. And I believe that the other side is your rose color.
Oh, that's perfect for you.
You think so?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm not going to put it on now. But yeah, so one side is your brush. And I know that NudeStix is actually a very expensive brand. So, all right, what we got next? We have the zinc serum. So this is serum. Okay. So apply over a clean face and follow with moisturizer. And this is by Glossier.
What is it?
It's serum, face serum.
Okay.
What does it say? It doesn't tell you what it does, other than it's for external use only. Okay, please stop doing this. Please stop putting writing on clear bottles, especially instructions. Now, they do have the instructions on the white label. Thank you for that. But I can't read this anymore. This is just getting annoying. I shouldn't have to do this.
It's her age. She's 40.
41?
Oh.
I'm 41.
Okay.
Dang. I'm not lying about my age. I like my age.
I don't lie about my age.
A Big Bang mascara. Just to give you guys an idea. There's your brush. So it's a nice, thick, healthy brush.
And ladies, mascara does not last forever.
No.
Switch it out.
Yeah, I'm getting better at that now.
Even if it's still some left, if you're putting it on and it's chunky on your eyelashes and you have to constantly doing this, it's too old. Get rid of it.
It's not worth it. I was trying to see if they had a date on this because I've been showing you guys that they have put dates on this. Sometimes this one doesn't. But I would say 3 months.
Yeah,
3 months, switch it out. And I'm glad I got this one because I need to throw mine away. So this is going to be my new one. Oh, yay.
Open.
These are face masks.
Okay.
Let me see if they're in their own plastic case. So yes. So these are face masks. I love these because you can just slap them on there. Boom. Slap them on. No fuss, no muss. Because I do love face masks, but then I have the one that smell like collard greens. And then they get all hard and then they make your towel all green and gunky. And it's just like, no, not today. I'm not in the mood. Okay, so this is the Beauty Crop. I believe this is for your lips.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yep, one size glossy.
One size glossy. This is probably a matte. I'm like I said before, I prefer a wet looking lip. I know some people prefer matte, I prefer wet. So I would definitely be mixing these up.
That's a good shade.
You always like me in pink.
Yeah, that's a good shade for you.
Okay, I would definitely try this on. Not now. Okay, this is the Velvet Luxe Vegan Body and Hand Cream.
Let's try it.
Version. Should have known better. Just can't. See, they do this because y'all steal. That's why they do this.
Oh, yeah.
You know who I'm talking to, and you feel guilty right now.
Sure.
You know you feel guilty right now.
It's just sanitary.
Okay, so this is Tangerine Glow. This is in virgin olive oil and avocado oil.
Nice. Nice and light.
Yes.
It won't crash with your perfume.
No. And it absorbs pretty quick.
It feels good.
Yay.
It's not sticky or anything like that.
Like I said, I will give you guys prices once I look them up
and
online.
y'all, I am a hand cream snob.
She is.
So I'm telling you. That's good. What's the name of it?
Velvet Luxe. Is this yours?
I like it.
Yeah.
Thank you. I have a little pile over here. Y'all can't see it. What's that?
Oh my goodness. This is a treatment mask for by Perfect Repair. So let me see. Apply to the end apply from ends to scalp and leave in for 3 to 5 minutes. So this is another mask. I have a couple.
Oh yeah, I used the one that you gave me. It was so good.
It was good.
I loved it. And it makes your hair smell so good.
I'm telling y'all be sleeping on these hair masks. They be doing the damn thing. Okay, get you a hair mask. But if you got this box, you now have a hair mask by Perfect Repair.
Let me see how it smells.
Yeah. And it's a very thick, creamy consistency.
It's really clean. Like a really clean smell. I like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's real clean.
Yeah, I like that.
Yay! There we are.
And this is Peony blush. Y'all know I love my Spongellas. Mine's just ran out. I've been squeezing the life out of that thing to get that bubbles out. And now it's like super soft and I know it's gone. I'm holding on to hope. But now I got it replaced just in time. So for you guys, for $80, we got the Spongella, the Glossy, the mascara. I'm sitting this up here like y'all can see it. We angle it down a little bit. There we go. We have the serum, the hair mask, the hand cream, the satin pillow, travel kit, the wine tumbler, and the blush for $80 shipping and handling plus tax. Well, $90 shipping and handling plus tax. Do you think this is worth the $90? Be honest. Oh, sorry.
Okay, yeah. Okay,
and
so
the face mask.
$90. I'd say.
Oh.
This alone. These 4 items alone, well, 5 items alone to me is worth $90. So yes.
Okay.
Yeah, definitely.
So that was everything in our advent calendar. I love it. Like I said, half of these are gonna be gifts.
Yeah.
Because some of these things I already have. Some of them they pretty much just said mine as soon as they saw it. So it is what it is.
That's me, y'all.
And tell me guys what you think below. Like I said, I'll put the prices down there, and we about to eat some Olive Garden. So peace out. In life, there's black and white, but with me and my mom, you getting 2 shades of gray. Bye, guys.
Bye.